So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to morning market briefing. So आज is we have a budget day, so we are likely to expect a huge volatility in the market, right? So let's see what is happening in the market as of now in SGX. So we can see a gap up opening for like almost more than 100 points. So market is actually trading somewhere around 17,500. So that is, as we know, that is a market facing a resistance at near these levels, right? So if we see a further breakout from this level, we know that market can, go in uptrend, right? But due to the huge volatility, we are still very uncertain about the direction of the market because of there is a lot of news flow likely to come in the market. So stay intact. Now let's see with the chart specifically. So specifically, we can say that 17,500 is the level where we are facing the resistance. On the downside, we definitely going with the 17,000 level. Okay, so this 500 range is the level for Nifty as of now. But if the trend has to come, we need to break these levels, right? Anyhow, on the upper side, on the downside, right? Although this is a consolidation level for the Nifty as of now from few days, right? Talking about the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty being a bit more volatile from few sessions, so we have a huge range for the Bank Nifty specifically. So 39,000 on the upside and 36,000 probably we can go on the downside specifically, but we'll see some shorter levels also. Okay. Now, if we talk about the OI levels for both, if we see, okay. So in the last trading session, we can see there's a short covering. So there was not much buying happening in the Nifty as such, right? Also, that OI levels is very dropped to very lowest level, right? And if we talk about Bank Nifty too, so Bank Nifty have shown some long build up coming up, but still the range is very big, so we need to be very specific for that. Okay, now let's see the open interest. As we see, we can see that 18,000 is the level where we can see the highest call option as of now on the immediate basis. After that, we can see on the 18,500 also. And on the downside, 17,300 shown some put writing specifically in 17,000. Right? So these two levels are working as a support as of now, and 17,500 and 18,000 are resistance for the market, right? Okay. Talking about the Bank Nifty also. So we can see there are a lot of positions are happening on 18,000 only. So probably a lot of straddle had been made, anticipating a huge move in Bank Nifty, right? So could be a anticipated move that we are anticipating Bank Nifty will move like, either ways in a drastic move. So probably a lot of straddles have been, a long straddle has been made on ETM, right? Specifically. But specifically talking about the levels, so 39,000, 39,500, these are the two levels on the upside. We're talking about on the downside 37,000, 36,500 could be levels, right? So these are the very near level, but again with huge volatility anticipation, we can see market can move either side with a huge quantum, right? Okay. So let's come to the top gainers for yesterday. Okay. So Info Edge yesterday 11%, Mindtree and Philosoph, right? So these are the top gainers yesterday. IndusInd Bank, Atul and Kotak Bank for the top losers. Contribution to the index, so mostly positive. So you can see IT and oil specifically and NBFC. These three sectors. Come to the build-ups. Okay. So capital goods, power and auto ancillaries, these are the three sectors are showing long build-up. Fertilizers and metals are showing short build-up specifically. Okay, so we have one stock today. So that is again HDFC Bank. So if you see the chart specifically, so stock was in a downtrend, and when we are seeing the stock has went up from 1440 levels to like somewhere around 1500 level. So the stock is facing resistance somewhere here in this level specifically, and probably the stock trend is as of now on a downtrend. So we are facing a resistance at 1500 level specifically. So probably a stock can show us some downtrend. Also 1480 is the level. If stock breaks 1480 levels per again and started going down, so we can go and create a short position. But again, we'll be placing a very strict stop loss or probably the resistance at 1500. So we are not. So this whole structure will go wrong if the stock started trading above 1500 levels, right? Okay. So if we see the OI for SDFC Bank. So when stock came, it was clear short covering, short covering, and yesterday when stock went up again, it was a short covering. So no build up, long build up coming up in this stock. So 1500 stock is facing resistance. If we see from the option chain perspective, so you can see 1500 level where we are having the highest, call writing. So this is the resistance the stock is facing as of now, and on the downside we are not seeing any huge put addition. So specifically below 1480 we can go short in the stock, and we're placing a stop loss probably at 1500 specifically, right? Okay, so that is the one stock only we are talking about. Probably we'll start again from the tomorrow session for the stocks. So no stocks in ban list as of now, right? Okay, so let's summarize this. So 17,500 we are trading very near to this level, 17,000 on the downside. So 18,000 could be on the upper side. We can see if market shows movement, and after that we need to see that if market breaks 17,000, then probably it go in a downtrend. So 39,000, 36,000, and 37,000, these are the levels very near we can see, right? So huge range for Bank Nifty, and built up from the sector perspective. So we have like CG, capital goods, power stocks and auto ancillary, short built up fertilizers and metals specifically. So SDFC Bank will go short below 1480, 1500 is the resistance we are facing, and no stock is trading in the bank as of now. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much.